Hi everyone, this is Anil. Welcome to video series on integrated risk management, GRC. So in this video, we'll talk about two use cases. One is the store releases and how to see store releases versions and so on. And the next is we'll verify the installation of that application on the instance, and we'll see how to understand the installed objects and also look at a couple of objects. So let's get started. So let's go to store.servicenow.com and search for a keyword called policy. So if you do that, it brings up all the store apps which have that keyword as policy. And we are interested in GRC, policy and compliance management. So let's open that. And when you open that, you can see that the compatibility information about this. And you can also see the current version and other app versions. So you can click either here or either here. So let's click here. So when you do that, it shows you the version history of this application. As you can see, the current one is 16.0.3. It is compatible with Utah. It's a major release. It's released in the month of February. And then we have a patch release 15.0.3. This is compatible all the way from Rome through Utah. It's a patch release. And similarly, there is the previous versions like 15.0.1, which is Tokyo through Rome. It's a major release. Then there's a patch release and so on. Right? So this is how you'll read the version history of an application. Now let's install this on the instance and see how it looks like. So I have this installed on my instance, and I go to a table called sys underscore meta list. So this is contains all the application files, and here we can see all the applications that are installed. So now here we'll see all the application files. So look for application that starts with or which contains GRC. So you can see all the objects for all the applications that belong to GRC, right? You can see all this here. Now, within this, we want to look at policy. So now we can group by based on application. So in this group by list, we can pick up policy and search and open this objects for this application. So this is how we can see all the objects that belong to this application. Right? Now, let's look at table called policy and understand like what is the definition, how does the definition look like. So in the class, we'll say sys underscore db underscore object. So that should bring all the tables which are in scope of this application. And so we have 32 tables. Now, out of these, we are interested in the table called policy. So let's open that. So the name of this table is SN underscore compliance underscore policy, but the label is policy. And it extends a table called document. So document is part of package called GRC profiles. The table name is SN underscore GRC underscore document. And the package of this policy table is GRC policy and compliance management. So as you can see here, these are all the different columns which are there, and then all that. Now if I scroll down, you can see all the ACLs. So if I remove the filter, I can see all the ACLs which are part of this. Now if you want to understand which user has or which role has delete access on this, then we can do a show matching on this. And then if you open the access control, you can see that in order to delete records in this table, we need this role, sn underscore compliance dot admin. So this is how we can find out the version of the app in store. And then once you install that on the platform, you can understand what objects are installed, and then you can navigate into a specific object and understand specifics on that. Thank you for watching. This is Anil.